not tight. It fits
Not
perfect.
He says two.
So make sure you apply the new glue a bit higher than the body. So when you apply the glass, it can bond well. If too less glue, there's a chance of leak.
Sometimes the molding.
So put the glass to the top first.
Push it up. Put the glass up. Root it.
And then temporarily tape it
Put inside. Push the head
to
line.
hold the glass in position.
I don't see it.
So now you can adjust the glass while the glue is still fresh.
It's good. It's under the headlight, right?
So now the glass popped out a little. So once you adjust it to even out with the body, then it fits perfect. So
Headlight's not on the way, right?
No, it was.
No, on the second one.
Yeah.
so now the glass is adjusted all around. You want to make sure you put like a
Stopper.
soft piece on the bottom to hold the glass in position, kind of like a stopper, stop the glass from falling down. You also want to tape it on the top as well because the glue is still fresh right now. So this glass fits perfectly once you adjust it to even out everywhere. There should be a small gap